If you need to access CPanel Webmail from your Namecheap account, this quick guide will walk you through the exact steps. Whether you want to check your inbox, send a message, or manage your domain email from one place, this is the fastest way to get into your mailbox. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple how-to videos like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the domain list area so you can find the hosting or domain services connected to your email. Next, click the Products tab. This is where Namecheap keeps your active services, including hosting plans and email-related tools. Now, find the hosting plan you want to use and click Manage next to it. This will open the settings page for that hosting account. From here, scroll down until you reach the software section. This section contains the tools connected to your hosting environment, including access to your email accounts. Once you see it, click Email Accounts. You should now see a list of the email addresses associated with that hosting plan. Find the email address you want to open. If you manage multiple addresses, take a moment to make sure you select the correct one. After that, click Check Email. Namecheap will give you a few mailbox options, and for this tutorial, choose Roundcube to open your mailbox. Roundcube is a simple webmail interface that lets you read and send emails right from your browser without needing to set up a separate email app. Once Roundcube opens, you'll be logged into your webmail inbox and ready to use your email account. And that's it. You've successfully accessed CPanel Webmail from your Namecheap account. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.